Hello everyone, so we are here in Holbæk, Denmark, and we are on the old slipway looking at Hawila here, where we're conducting a huge massive work. We have right now 3 teams working on the vessel, 1 team working on the framing, another team working on the Keelson, that are the new Keelson are laying just next to me, and another team, a last team working on the stem assembly. And while I speak, there is people in the workshop just behind me and other people also doing some steaming of the frame, and we're gonna have a look. So behind me is a German team. They are working on the stem assembly. So the stem assembly was made of 5 massive pieces of oak. We have been taking them out, and now we're replacing them by new oak, and they will be bolted through the stem piece, through the Keelson, and there will be a last knee that will come and cover the whole assembly. So here we are looking at our steam box and our brand new steamer. It's a wood steamer, and this is Rob that's feeding some wood in the steam box, in the steamer of the steam box. So right now we're at 66 degrees. We want to reach 80 degrees. The ambition, we're steaming frame and floor timbers right now. The ambition is to kill all the fungi and also to open the water port of the timber before we put it back in the ship. So we are now here inside the ship where we have removed the Keelson. So it's the Keelson is sandwiching the frames. So we have the keel, the frame, and the Keelson that comes above. So you can see that we remove the old Keelson and we are going to replace it with the new piece we saw just before that are laying outside. So the Keelson will come at a single piece here, supported by 2 side Keelson on the side. So it's a massive piece of oak, 11 meter long, by 25 by 50 centimeter height. And on the side we have 25 by 25 beams that will be bolted through the frame. In addition to that, we are adding floor timbers between the frame. So this floor timber is going to come, we have fitted 11 in between the frame here, and they will make the joint between the frame. Because as you can see, on Hawila the frames are very basic, very simple in the way that they are straight pieces that are joined together on the keel. It's double frame, bolted, and with 3 nails and bolts. So here we have a team that is putting 3 nails in the old holes, the old bolt holes. So we're re-drilling them in 24, and we're putting some 3 nails in the holes. Leif?
Yeah.
Do you feel like explaining a little bit what's going on here at the stem?
All right. We now replaced most of the deadwood. We put it out, so it was rotten and was totally loose. Now at this moment we're talking with the Keelson team about where to put the bolts and how we have to bolt it. Now it's secured by clamps, and we put here, I don't know if you can see, we put here in this piece we already done. We put in some 3 nails, and for security we have this planter here.
So we're gonna have a look now at the workshop, our wood workshop, where we received our new, brand new felder machine yesterday. So I don't know if the guys are already using it now, but yeah, let's have a look. So here we can see Ellie is working on the 3 nails.
At the moment I'm making a jig for the new table saw. So the idea is, because this table slides up and down, and then this block with the wedge shape cut out of it sits here, and then you hold another piece of wood and slide it up to the saw, and it will cut consistent wedges for all of our 3 nails.
Super, thanks. So the wedges for the 3 nails will be used for planking and framing on the ship. And Rommel is working on a piece of frame.
Yes, shaping the frames, making the bevel. It's changing all the time, like here from 6 degrees, 6, 5, 4.5, 3.5. The big chunks I take with the power planer. And when it's down to 1 millimeter, I do it with the hand planer.
Okay, but that's it for today. It's the very first video we made on Hawila. I think we never made video before, so everyone is a little bit camera shy, but we're gonna try to make more video later in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye.